Hello everyone. Thought of the day. A mistake is an accident. Cheating and lying are not mistakes. They are intentional choice. A mistake is an accident. Cheating and lying are not mistakes. They are intentional choice. One night, four college students stayed up late partying, even though they knew they had a test next day. The next morning, they came up with a plan to get out of having to take their test. Each student rolled around in dirt and then went to the teacher's office. They told the teacher that they had gotten a flat tire the night before and they'd spend the entire night pushing their car back to campus. The teacher listened, and to the students' delight, he offered a retest 3 days later. On the day of the test, the students went to their teacher's office. The teacher put all four of the students in separate room to take the test. The students were okay with that because they had been given a chance to study. Exam was conducted for 100 marks. The test had only two questions. The first question, your name, 1 mark. And the second question, which tire was flat? Front right or front left or back right or back left? The points are 99 marks. So, a mistake is an accident. Cheating and lying are not mistake. They are intentional choice. I hope you always tell the truth and be true. Thank you. Have a blessed day.